Hi, my name is Professor Dr. Debarati Halder and I am the Managing Director Honorary for Center for Cyber Victim Counseling. In this session, I am going to discuss about conceptualizing the basic understanding about data from Indian Information Technology Act perspectives. The meaning and implications of data can be understood from various perspectives, including public data, official data, personal data, etc. The basic understanding about data can be understood from UNICITRAL Model Law on e-commerce, EU General Data Protection Regulations, Information Technology Act 2000, amended in 2008, and the Data Protection Bill 2018. Now, let us understand about data from the perspectives of UNICITRAL Model Law 1996. UNICITRAL Model Law on e-commerce does not define data directly. It indicates that data may mean information. It also indicates that such information may be encrypted in digital format, which may not be paper-based writing format. Most importantly, the term data is included in the term data message under the UNICITRAL Model Law, which means information generated, sent, received, or stored by electronic, optical, or similar means, including but not limited to electronic data interchange, electronic mail, telegram, telex, or telecopy, which means that the term data has got a wider scope under the UNICITRAL Model Law. Now, let us understand the meaning of data from European Union General Data Protection Regulation. Here also, the term data is not defined specifically. EU GDPR defines data from the perspective of personal data. According to EU GDPR, personal data means any information relating to an identified or identifiable natural person. This information includes name, identification number, location data, an online identifier, or one or more factors specific to the physical, physiological, genetic, mental, economic, cultural, or social identity of that natural person. Now, let us understand the meaning of data from the Indian perspective, that is, Information Technology Act 2000, amended in 2008. This is the statute which defines data specifically. Section 2O defines data as a representation of information, knowledge, facts, concepts, or instructions which are being prepared or have been prepared in a formalized manner and is intended to be processed, is being processed, or has been processed in a computer system or computer network. Noticeably, this particular understanding of processed, is being processed, or has been processed has gained prime importance both under UNICITRAL Model Law as well as in EU GDPR. IT Act also looks into the understanding of processing of data from very important perspectives. Data may also mean and include data in any form, including computer printouts, magnetic or optical storage media, punched cards, punched tapes, or stored internally in the memory of the computer. Let us now understand the meaning of data from the Personal Data Protection Bill 2018. According to this particular bill, data means various data, which includes biometric data, anonymized data, sensitive personal data, genetic data, financial data, health data, and personal data. According to Section 312 of this bill, data means and includes a representation of information, facts, concepts, opinion, or instructions in a manner suitable for communication, interpretation, or processing by humans or by automated means. Section 319 of this bill defines financial data, which means any number or other personal data used to identify an account opened by or card or payment instrument issued by a financial institution to a data principal or any personal data regarding the relationship between a financial institution and a data principal, including financial status and credit history. As such, financial data may also include bank data. Section 320 of this bill defines genetic data, which means personal data relating to the inherited or acquired genetic characteristics of a natural person which give unique information about the behavioral characteristics, physiology, or the health of that natural person and which result in particular from an analysis of a biological sample from the natural person in question. As it may be seen, this particular understanding is influenced by EU GDPR. Further, Section 322 of the bill defines health data, which means data related to the state of physical or mental health of the data principal and includes records regarding the past, present, or future state of the health of such data principal, data collected in the course of registration for or provision of health services, data associating the data principal to the provision of specific health services. Section 329 of the bill defines personal data, which means data about or relating to a natural person who is directly or indirectly identifiable, having regard to any characteristic, trait, attribute, or any other feature of the identity of such natural person or any combination of such features or any combination of such features with any other information. Section 335 of the bill defines sensitive personal data. Noticeably, sensitive personal data has also been defined under the rule of Information Technology Act, especially for sensitive personal data rules, which will be discussed later. According to this particular provision, sensitive personal data means personal data revealing, related to, or constituting, as may be applicable, passwords, financial data, health data, official identifier, sex life, sexual orientation, biometric data, genetic data, and transgender status. This can be seen that this particular understanding is also influenced by EU GDPR. And the last is intersex status. It also includes caste or tribe data. Coming to the conclusion regarding the general understanding of data, it can be seen that data means representation of information, knowledge, facts, etc., and includes different kinds of data. Processing of the said data can be done in the computer, computer system, etc. Data can be in any form recognized by computer, computer system, etc. Data can be personal, public, or governable. Processing, however, needs to be done consensually. That means with the consent of the natural person to whom the data belongs to. Thank you.